Is it possible to design without a software? Well, if you asked me that question before the pandemic, I would most likely laugh at you and say, are you crazy? Yes, you do need a software, but today on 2026, it is the complete opposite. It's almost stupid to keep designing with a software because technology has made it much easier than you think. Now, before I begin, I know a lot of you, or I should say most of you, have a really bad image about AI. And every time I go into any AI platform or ad, I see a lot of laughing emojis, a lot of bad reviews, people cursing AI, saying how terrible AI is. Well, maybe so in certain stuff, but if you are on the t-shirt business, or if you ever wanted to be a graphic designer today, you no longer need to do that. All you need to do is, as Mark Cuban once said, the famous rich guy, in the future billionaires will be kids that learn how to use or talk to AI from their mom's basement. And he's not very far off from reality. And I'm about to show you what he really meant. So I am using ChatGPT. Now I should say that I am using the premium membership. I am a pay member. I pay $20 a month, I believe. Some people say it's crazy that I'm paying, but since I am on the t-shirt business and web design business, this is an investment. It's not a spend. It's not a liability, whatever you want to call it. To me, it's an investment because I can meet any challenge, any design, and I used to say no, I cannot make this design, but today it's rarely for me to turn down a project because AI has made it much easier for me. Let me show you just so you get on board with me. So let's just say that a customer came to you and presented you with a logo that he found on Google, because a lot of my customers, this is not made up, this is real story. Those who are in the t-shirt business know what I'm talking about. They will usually tell you, I like this logo or certain logo that they found on Google. There are free logos, but back in the days, like I said, you will have to remake the whole logo on your software, either coreldraw or Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, whatever. But today it only takes literally a few seconds to do the entire thing. So let me show you. Let's say that the customer presented you this artwork right here for a company. All you have to do is vectorize the image and add the name of his company. So to me, it's very simple. I'm gonna paste the logo that I just copied on this on Google, and I'm gonna tell ChatGPT a command: make me this logo, but change the name lawn care service with, let's say the customer's company name is Math's Lawn Care and landscaping. Okay, and now before I send the command, I'm gonna tell AI and make this logo high quality with transparent background. Now, why a transparent background? Because this is what we call a PNG. You want to do this transparent, no black background. So I'm gonna tell AI to make it on a transparent background. So I'm gonna also tell them and make sure the image is 300 dpi. Now I'm gonna send this command and I'm gonna explain to you what does that mean. Well, 300 dpi is the quality that most people that do like printing logos for your t-shirts That's the lowest, I mean, the highest quality for DTF transfers. If you don't know what a DTF transfer is, it is the type of designs or most popular design that most people make today on t-shirts. You can do pretty much mostly any logo with DTF transfers, like really complicated logos, and all you need to do is have a 300 dpi image with transparent background. So this is why I told ChatGPT to do that for me, so that way I can just go online, and while it's working on the logo, let me show you a website where I get my transfers. I'm not being sponsored by them, I wish, but they're a really good company. You can also try like Ninja Transfers. There's a lot of companies out there, but I have confidence on this company. I've been working with them for many years. They have screen printing transfers, DTF transfers, and most of all, they're reliable. They're high quality, because if you want to get into this business, you want to keep your image clean and provide good products. You don't want to go for cheap, because cheap is not always necessarily good, and you don't want to expose your brand or your company and get bad reviews. So I suggest that you get a medium to fair price companies, and don't always go for cheap, because cheap is not good. So anyway, here's is ready. Now I want you to analyze the original logo that we sent to ChatGPT. This is the one. And now with the command, which I already show you how to talk to AI, now I show you a high quality DTF transfer. It's transparent background. This is ready to go. You no longer have to do this. Now let's say some people will tell you, okay, but you still need a software to send your customer a mock-up or a sample. You no longer even need that for this. Okay, now let me show you. Now add this logo you just made and add it to the back of a black t-shirt. Oh, you know what, let me do this. To the back of a guy working outdoor on the lawn and wearing a black t-shirt with the logo you just made. So let's see what it makes. And this is the sample we're gonna send the customer. Once he approves, then this is ready to go. You can just now click and download it right here. It's a high quality. Let me show you. Let's click on the image. It's a really nice high quality. Look at this. You cannot get any better than this. And I gotta say, AI has gotten much better. I started using ChatGPT since 2021, and I can tell you this: back then you have to check on spelling because it was not advanced, but today it rarely misspells. But I still recommend that you double check that it's spelled correctly. But this one, the spelling, everything is perfect, so I don't have to worry about that. But again, it's always safe to make sure. Now look at this. This is the sample that you're gonna send your customer. You can tell AI to make the logo smaller, because this is, I think in my opinion, is too big. Make the logo a little smaller, because you don't want to send your customer a really huge logo, because he's going to think that that's how big it's going to be. To be realistic, the logo is going to be around 12 inches, no bigger than that. That should be big enough for your logo to be a good size and quality. And most companies, that's the standard size. I believe there's some sheets that you can add more logos, but I think that's good. So if you want to get into the t-shirt business, you can just buy a heat press, and you don't even need a printer. You can just get a membership with ChatGPT, do your design in there, send your samples to your customers. Once they approve, you can send this logo that I show you, download it, and then go to this website and just add your logos to your DTF transfers and order them. They take around 8 days to send them to you. Once you get them, all you need to do is get the t-shirts and hit press them on the logos on the t-shirt, and that's it. That's easy money for you. So now if you're just going to sell them the logo, which will be I think a smart way to, you can also advertise your custom logo services, and you can just send them this logo and that's it. Very simple. You no longer have to be a graphic designer. You just have to be open-minded. Like I said, there's a lot of people out there that don't like AI, but to me, I'm a millennium and I grew up with really low technology, and to me this is amazing. Most people that don't like AI are like early Gen Z generations and late generations, but that's because they never grew the way we did, millennials. If you're a millennial, you know what I'm talking about. It were the struggles and all of that. So this is to me very amazing. So why you want to go an extra mile when you don't really have to? So anyway, guys, if you like this video, please make sure you like, give me a hype, or at least leave me a comment. Even if it's a bad comment, it's okay, I'll take it. This will help me with the algorithm. Thank you, guys. I'll see you in the next video.